Changing your legal name on RentRedi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly in the system. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your RentRedi account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use AirSrock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select name change option. In the account settings, look for the option to change your name. This may be labeled as edit name or change legal name. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that you enter it exactly as it appears on your legal documents to avoid any discrepancies. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email verifying that your name has been updated successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name will be updated on RentRedi. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to RentRedi's customer support for assistance.